Not all steel buildings are created equal. One's built to get you by, and the other's built to carry you through anything. And when the storm hits, that difference matters most. Tubular buildings tempt you with a low price and quick pitch, but quick savings won't hold up over time. SteelMaster buildings give you a quality building equipped with strength, durability, and a lifetime of use, making your dollar go further. A tubular structure relies on its lightweight frame to do the heavy lifting. A SteelMaster arch is a structure, solid, engineered with strength in every curve. The weather shouldn't decide if your building stands or not. Wind, snow, storms, the arch wins every time. Our arches are coated in Galvalume Plus, fighting rust and keeping your building standing strong for decades. Tubular lasts a season. SteelMaster lasts for generations, backed by a 50-year warranty. SteelMaster buildings are quick to install and built right from the start. Tubular buildings rely on tiny 2x2 framing and ultra-thin 29-gauge sheeting. 29-gauge steel folds like a beer can under the pressure, loosely held together with self-tapping screws, several weak points waiting to fail. SteelMaster uses at least 22-gauge steel with fewer pieces and pre-cut, pre-drilled panels, giving you the most protection. Our arch is an engineered design that has been tested and proven. Impact tested, HVHZ-certified, and Florida product approved, built to stand up to the harshest conditions. And every SteelMaster building comes with state-stamped engineered blueprints, so you know it's built right from the ground up. They make it sound like tubular buildings are easy to build, and it sounds nice until you're knee-deep in extra parts and frustration. SteelMaster kits are actually DIY. Grab a few friends, clear your weekend, and you've got a building that will last for years to come. From garages and workshops to agricultural shelters and oil and gas sites, SteelMaster arches thrive wherever the limits are pushed. Don't settle for fragile and shaky. Choose bold. Choose fearless. Choose SteelMaster.